Yeah, I fuck with this heavy. For real. You know? WAV.ADDI, yeah. Whoa, let's go. Gotta get it out the door. Whoa, and it's on the floor. Can't fuck with a hoe. Whoa. They be talking but they don't even know. I'm about to go, let's go to the top. Niggas talking shit but they bitch giving me top. Whoa, nigga just stop. For real, I'm about to pop and make them drop. I gotta open up a body shop and tell that bitch to keep it hot for the spot. Whoa, let's go. Whoa, gotta get it out the door. On the low. Whoa, how far can we go? Here we go. Sorry, I can't take it slow. No, moving around with some different hoes. Whoa, got some niggas with some different poles. They gon' let it off in intervals. Wow, ayy, you don't wanna slide. Nah, you don't wanna do that. You can't see us outside. Nah. And I'm banging with the beats, and we banging with the beats, and she banging with the beats, and yeah, I be fucking with a freak. She be feeling like a freak while I fuck her like a freak. Yeah, ayy, going really deep, and I'm hitting really deep, and she want me really deep, and yeah, she gon' want me in that Jeep, so I'm riding in that Jeep, and I hit her on the creep. Yeah, whoa, gotta keep it on the low, Whoa, wave flew really on a roll. Yeah, these niggas act like trolls. They some bitches, yeah, they really act like hoes. Dropping to the flow. If they ever try to touch my hoe, any of them. Niggas talking shit, I might pop them on the button. I'm about to come and do this shit, I ain't stunting. About to come and kick it off like a nigga punting. Yeah.